How to change from grid to rows in Figma layout grid. So I'm going to show you the exact process. It's super simple. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. Really helped a lot the channel. So what we're gonna have to do first, I'm just gonna head over here to frame or press F and now just drag like this. So we have a frame here and we like to add a grid and we change from grid to rows. So here in layout, we can click on here and we have grid. Well, that's awesome, but we actually need a row. So what you have to do is here, grid, you see, you have to change from grid to rows. But I'm not gonna do it. What I can do even better if you want to, but can help in some situation, is to add grid and rows. So let's click on here on plus and now click on here, grid, and change to rows. So now we have rows and grid. We can add here, change the count from to 12 maybe, and we can also change the color, the weight, the margin, the color. Change this to maybe, actually I like 20, and here we have it. And now you can even, add another one here, another layout grid, and we can change this from rows to columns. And now we have all three here on our frame. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.